Hey guys, I'm going to show you my little recipe of the portobello mushroom. It's stuffed with chaga rice and some vegetables, lion's mane. It's got a whole bunch of goodness in there. I'm going to show you how I built it, okay? So we take the portobello mushroom, take the middle part out, take a spoon and get rid of the gills. It's pretty easy to do. Scrape them off. These. Try not to break your mushroom because you want it to be nice and deep so you can fill it with all your goodness. So you sort of just scrape like this, gently so you don't break through. Just dig in it. See how I'm doing it? Pretty easy. Oops, don't want to break it. Okay, that looks good to me. So I'm just going to get rid of this. Yummy, I can't wait to eat that. So now we got our portobello. It's all cleaned out. And in this pot, I have my chaga rice that I made. And in the rice, I cooked my rice instead of water. I used chaga tea. And I put some vegetables in there. See how dark it is? That's from the chaga tea. And I seasoned it how I like it. So I'm just going to add some to the mushroom. Actually, first what I do, sorry. I put a little bit of cheese in the bottom. If you're not a cheese eater, that's fine. Don't worry about it. And then I put a chunk of cream cheese in there. Then I fill it with my little vegetables and rice. A bit, so don't make a mess. So when I made my rice, instead of using oil or butter when I was making it, I put in ginkgo biloba oil that I make, like an olive oil with ginkgo biloba infused into it. So ginkgo biloba is actually a natural antidepressant and helps with the brain, gives you more energy. It's good brain food. So I got that stuffed nicely. Now I'm going to add some lion's mane that I have dehydrated up. It's all nice and crispy. Listen to that. Very crispy, and it'll get hydrated from all the steam and everything that's in there, so it'll soften up. I prefer my lion's mane like this, dehydrated, and then I put it into soups and other dishes. I like it better like that. So all that crunchiness is in there. It'll go soft though, like I say, after it gets all hydrated. Look how lovely that looks. So, as I said earlier, the oil I used in the chaga rice was ginkgo biloba. That's it there. Look how green it is. It's gorgeous. And then I'm topping it. I'm putting on some rosehip oil. I'm really low on my rosehip oil. I gotta make some more because I use it so much. So this now is putting a huge amount of vitamin C into the portobello and all the goodness. Then I'm going to top it with some more cheese. You can put in it whatever you like, guys. I just like it like this. And then I'm going to top it again with some more of the rosehip oil. It'll make everything nice and crunchy. And the ginkgo biloba oil. Look how green that is, guys. Gorgeous. And that is it. I'll put it in the oven because it's a pretty big mushroom, so I'm going to put it in there on 375 for 20 minutes. Actually, for 15 minutes at 375, and then I'm going to turn the oven up to 400 for another 5 minutes. So it'll be in the oven altogether 15 minutes, did I say? Yeah, 15 minutes. So 10 minutes on 375 and then turn it up to 400 for 5 more minutes. And then you could top it like I did with some chives. That's all there is to it. So now this mushroom is so medicinal and yummy. I'm eating this one right now. This is my dinner. Yum.